Welcome to day 4 Prompt Engineering Image Generation Series. Firstly, open ChatGPT and press plus icon to upload your image. After that, you can start writing a prompt in the prompt sections. If you don't know the prompt, don't worry, I'll share you in the screen. You can pause this video if you want to type a prompt. So this prompt start with create a trending anime style. So it's a confident writing. The style is given by exaggerated, transform the environment. The slightly and comparison tone should be energetic, non-realistic one. So once you finish, you can simply submit your prompt and it will take a couple of seconds. Now you can see the final output of our prompt, and you can save this picture and share with your friends. So if you want to generate your own version, simply comment AI in the comment section so that I can straight reach out to you to share the prompt in your inbox. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.